my channel. So I am super excited for today's video because it is dedicated to the new collection by Camila Cabello that came out with L'Oreal called Havana, and I am so over the moon excited about it. First of all, Camila is one of my favorite artists and L'Oreal is one of my favorite brands. I use so many of their products, so when I saw that Camila had done a launch for a couple products with L'Oreal, I freaked out. I was like, I have to get my hands on this. I have to do a video about it and share it with my viewers, because something that some of you guys probably don't know about me is that I am Cuban, just like Camila, and it's really cool. But I'm Cuban. My father's side of the family is from Cuba, and I've actually been to Cuba. It was around 2013, and it was one of the most amazing experiences of my life. I got to meet a lot of my extended family that still lives there, and I got to experience the island and the culture and the nightlife. I went clubbing, I remember, with a couple of my good cousins and their friends, and we had such an amazing time. So today's look is inspired by a Havana night, and it is a smoky eye. It is with glittery green and a glossy lip, and I've used all the products from the collection that I purchased. I got 4 products, and I'm super excited to show you guys in the tutorial how I use them and what I did to achieve this look. I am featuring the liquid bronzer. This is so gorgeous. I want to put it all over, and I'm sure you can, but basically you just squeeze it out, and it's a liquid like this. Mine is in the shade light medium. Looks like this. It is super pretty, and this is how it is when it first comes out, and it is like so pigmented already, but then once you blend it out, look at the glow on that. You'll see how I used it in the tutorial, but this is just, I mean, it's super glowy, and I don't know, I just was like putting it everywhere because I want that glow, that J-Lo Camila glow, you know what I mean? So it's super beautiful. I applied this, again, you'll see how I did it in the tutorial, but this is absolutely amazing. So that is that. Then I got the liquid liner. The liquid liner is in a marker form, as you can see right here. These are looks that you can do with it. Clearly I did the winged eye, but this was very precise, very sturdy application. I really loved just applying it because sometimes the marker kind of liquid liners can be a little bit flimsy, but this one was very sturdy and I was able to do a really precise line, so I love this guy. This is the eyeshadow, and it's really super tiny, but again, the packaging is super cute, and when you open it up, you have the single shadow, and it says Havana right in the middle. It's so cute. And then when you open it, it's this gorgeous, like, green, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's super beautiful. It's a green with gold flecks in it, and I was like, I have to do a Havana night tutorial with that shade because look at how glittery, and it's just gorgeous. So you can see it on, it's just stunning. So I was super excited about this one. And then the last thing is the gloss, and the gloss is so beautiful. First of all, this gloss packaging is everything. Like, everyone will ask you when you take your lip gloss out at the bank and you're doing your gloss, they're gonna say, where did you get that? What is that? Because it's just eye-catching. Like, look how cute it is. So, yeah, when I first saw it, I saw that it was in a thicker tube, and I was like, I wonder if it's gonna be like a stickier, like thick, heavy gloss, just because how it looked to me. And then when I put it on, it's so lightweight, it is so hydrating, and I'm gonna put some on right now. Look at that, so pretty. Oh my god, it's like butter, and it goes with a majority of the lipstick shades that I wear, so I definitely wanted to pick up this really pretty corally color. It's actually called Serendipity, and Camila talked about how this word is special to her in her promo video for the collection, and she was saying it's one of her favorite words. So she incorporated a lot of personal touches to the collection. So I will link below where you can get all these products. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I'm not there yet, but I just was excited about this collection because I love Camila. I love that it's called Havana. That's where my family is from. And I just was super excited for my culture, music, and makeup to kind of all come together. And Havana was one of my favorite songs ever last year. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. Hi guys! So we're gonna get started with this look, this beautiful Havana night look, and I'm starting out with that gorgeous eyeshadow. It is such cute packaging, and this is the dark green glitter shade with gold reflex in it. I love this color. It is the star of the show today, and I'm applying it all over the lid, not going past the crease. Then I am taking my color Skinny Latte. This is an eyeshadow from City Color, and I am going to be applying that on my inner corner just to act as a highlight. Next, I'm going into my Man-Eater palette, and I'm applying the light brown, dark brown, and black shades into the crease and outer corner, starting out with the color Saucy in my crease, and then going in with the color Midnight as well. And then with a more defined brush, I'm using the black shade called Catcall, and this is going to act in the outer corner and be our winged out smoky shadow color. It should look something like this. Next, I'm going back into the color Skinny Latte, and I will be applying this shade underneath my brow bone for a nice brow bone highlight. And now we're going in with the liquid liner from the collection. This is the Flash Liner, and it is a marker applicator, as you can see. And I was just testing it on the back of my hand to see how it performs, and I was very surprised with how sturdy the application was, and I was able to get right into the inner corner of the eye, across the lash line, and wing it out at the ends for that smoky Havana look. And it came out like that, and I was very happy with that. Next, we're going to apply mascara to our top lashes with my Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara in black. And then I am applying my foundation. This is the CoverGirl 3-in-1 in the shade Buff Beige, and I'm just applying that all over the skin. And then we're going to highlight using my Tarte Shape Tape. I am going to apply that under the eyes, on the bridge of my nose, the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, sides of the mouth, and my chin, as well as the forehead, just to bring light to the front of the face. Concealer face! So we're gonna blend that out nicely. And next we're going in with one of my favorite products of the whole tutorial. This is the liquid bronzer. So I applied it to the back of my hand, and I put it kind of like smeared out, and then I put it in the contours of my cheeks and a little bit in the center of my cheeks to give that beautiful Havana night glow. And this is in the shade Light Medium. And you can see I'm just admiring that glow from within. It's so beautiful. And then I applied it to the other side as well. At first, it was a little heavy-handed, but it's just such a beautiful shade. You just don't want to put too much, because then it will look like that, and we don't want that. So I blended it out, and now I'm going to just set the face using my NYX powder. Gets really dusty, so be careful. And then just to bronze a little more, I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium dark and applying it over where I applied the liquid bronzer, and applying it to the forehead, the chin, giving myself that bronzed look. And then for blush, I'm going into my e.l.f. Blush Quad, taking the corally color, and then applying my powder highlight from Bare Minerals in the color Pure Radiance. And I was just admiring how glossy and glowy that looked. And I applied a little on the bridge of the nose and Cupid's bow as well. Next, I went in with my pencil liner for the lower lashes. This is my L'Oreal Liner Intense. And then I went back to that beautiful eyeshadow shade in Hot Havana from the collection, and I applied it to the lower lash line just to tie the look together. Adding some bottom mascara. And now it's time for the lips. So I'm taking my Lord & Berry lip liner, warming it up. This is in the color Mandarin, and it creates a beautiful base color for the shade I was going for. And then I am using my Boutique lip liner in Mocha, and I'm applying that on top of the Lord & Berry lip liner. Being super careful not to burn myself. Be very careful when warming up your lip liners. And then I'm taking Velvet Teddy from MAC and applying that on top. And lastly, but certainly not least, we are taking the beautiful Serendipity Lip Dew from the collection. It is such a great applicator. This color is so hydrating and moisturizing and glossy, and I loved it so much. It just felt like butter, so I really enjoyed this product. And that is the completed look. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is such a gorgeous look with the smoky eye, glossy lip, dewy skin. It is perfect for summer, perfect for a night out in Havana. If any of you guys are going on a vacation and you were inspired by this look to maybe try it out and wear it on your night out, definitely leave a comment below. That this incorporates my culture and my love for her music, and makeup is just win-win-win. So this was super fun. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already so that you can see what videos I have coming up next, and you can also check out links that I will leave below to my previous videos, as well as links to my Instagram so you guys can follow me, stay updated on what I'm doing. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!